and welcome to my channel Bon. Today I'm going to show you how to make these scrumptious NanKhatai, which are shortbread cookies and are super famous in Southeast Asia. So start by adding ghee or butter and powdered sugar to a bowl and beat for about 2 minutes so it gets light and creamy. You can mix these with a hand whisk as well. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post 4 videos a week, so go ahead and subscribe now. After 2 or 3 minutes, you can see it becomes super light and creamy. Now set it aside. And to your flour, add cardamom powder, roughly chopped almonds, baking soda and baking powder, and mix all together. Then add 2 or 3 drops of Kewra Essence to your ghee mixture and add in the dry ingredients as well and mix all together to form a dough. And the Kewra Essence is optional here. You can totally skip it if you don't like it or if you don't have it on hand. As the final touch, use your hands to bring it all together. Then cover your bowl and place in refrigerator for 15 minutes. Now grease your baking trays with oil and line with butter paper. Once your dough is chilled, take it out. Now roll balls of dough between your hand. Flatten them out and place on your baking tray. This dough makes 13 cookies, so just eyeball it and distribute as evenly as possible. But if you do have a food weight scale at home, then you can totally measure them out. The weight should be 40 grams for each cookie. Now take an egg yolk and brush it on top of your cookies to get that beautiful golden brown color. Bake your NanKhatai in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 22 minutes. Once they have baked, let them cool for 10 minutes. Then enjoy your scrumptious, melt in your mouth NanKhatai. You really need to try these.